So in this problem, we are asked to find the sum or the difference of the polynomials. So I have two parentheses here. So I have parentheses here and parentheses there. And notice that within the parentheses, I do not have like terms. I have, in this first set of parentheses, I have an x and a 9. In the second term, I have x and then a number. So there's nothing that I can do there. So now let's try to combine what's in the parentheses. And so because there's addition here, essentially the parentheses are useless. So I can just simply rewrite this by removing the parentheses. 2x minus 9 plus x minus 7. Oops, we wanted to get rid of those. Now it's important to note here that if this addition was, let's say if it was division, multiplication,